Welcome to another adventure with VueX. This time, we're diving into a region brimming with history, culture, and beauty, the Middle East. Get ready to uncover some seriously dazzling hidden gems. Buckle up, buttercups. It's going to be a wild ride. First up, we're whisking you away to Oman, a real-life Arabian Nights fantasy. Ever heard of Wadi Shab? No? Well, get ready to be amazed. Picture this. Turquoise waters, cascading waterfalls, and lush palm trees. It's like stepping into another world. The best way to reach this paradise? Rent a car and enjoy a scenic 2-hour drive from Muscat. Now let's talk about the fun stuff. Exploring. You can hike through the canyon, swim in crystal-clear pools, and discover hidden caves behind waterfalls. The cost? Around 10 Omani rials, about $25 for this natural wonder. The best time to visit Wadi Shab is between October and April when the weather is just right. Next, we're hopping over to Jordan, a country bursting with history and archaeological treasures. You've probably heard of Petra, but have you heard of its little sister, Little Petra? Located just a short hop from its more famous sibling, Little Petra offers a more intimate and less crowded experience. Imagine wandering through narrow canyons, marveling at intricate rock carvings and feeling the weight of history all around you. Entry is surprisingly affordable, costing around 5 Jordanian dinars, less than $10. The best time to visit is during the spring or fall. Don't forget your walking shoes, a hat, and plenty of water. It can get pretty warm exploring these ancient wonders. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading back to Oman, but this time to the Musandam Fjords, a hidden gem so breathtaking you'll be pinching yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. Imagine towering limestone cliffs plunging into emerald green waters, secluded beaches accessible only by boat, and dolphins playfully leaping alongside traditional dhow boats. Getting to this slice of paradise is an adventure itself. You can either fly into Kasab Airport or embark on a scenic 3-hour road trip from Dubai. Once you're there, the best way to experience the fjords is by taking a dhow cruise. These traditional Omani boats will take you through the narrow waterways, allowing you to soak in the stunning scenery. A day trip on a dhow will set you back around 50 Omani rials, about $130. The best time to visit the Musandam Fjords is between October and April, when the weather is mild and sunny. Get ready to immerse yourselves in a sensory overload, because we're heading to Doha, Qatar, to explore the vibrant and bustling Souk Waqif. This traditional marketplace is a feast for the senses, with the aroma of spices, colorful displays of fabrics, and the sounds of bartering filling the air. It's like stepping back in time, but with a modern twist. Getting to Souk Waqif is a breeze. It's located in the heart of Doha, and you can easily catch a taxi or use the city's efficient metro system. Once you're there, prepare to be amazed. You can wander through the labyrinthine alleyways, haggle for souvenirs, sip on traditional Arabic coffee, and sample delicious local delicacies. The best part? Exploring Souk Waqif is absolutely free. You can spend hours wandering around, soaking in the atmosphere, and maybe even picking up a bargain or two. The best time to visit is in the evening when the souk truly comes alive with lights, music, and vibrant energy. Now y'all know I love a good adventure, and it doesn't get much more adventurous than this. We're heading to the Empty Quarter, also known as Rub Al Khali in Saudi Arabia. This vast desert landscape is the largest sand desert in the world. It's a place of immense beauty, with towering sand dunes, starlit skies, and a sense of peace and tranquility. Getting to the Empty Quarter is not for the faint of heart. You'll need a 4x4 vehicle and an experienced guide. You can join an organized tour from Riyadh or Abu Dhabi. The best time to visit is during the winter months, from November to March, when the weather is more bearable. Spend a few days out here, camping under the stars and experiencing the magic of the desert. Last but not least, we're sailing away to Failaka Island, a true hidden gem located just off the coast of Kuwait. This island is a treasure trove of history, dating back to the Mesopotamian era. Imagine strolling through ancient ruins, exploring Greek temples, and discovering remnants of bygone civilizations. Getting to Failaka Island is a breeze. You can catch a ferry from the Ras Salmiya Marina in Kuwait City, and the journey takes about an hour. Once you're on the island, you can explore the ancient sites, relax on pristine beaches, or visit the Failaka Heritage Village. The ferry ride costs around 5 Kuwaiti dinars, about $16, and entrance fees to the historical sites are minimal. The best time to visit Failaka Island is during the cooler months, from October to April. Well, folks, there you have it. 6 incredible hidden gems in the Middle East that will blow your mind. From Oman's secret oasis to Kuwait's historical escape, these destinations offer a glimpse into the diverse beauty and rich culture of this incredible region. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore. Comment below if you'd like a different country to be explored for its hidden gems. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy VueX.